Tax year. There are three kinds of tax year as in section 74 income tax of ordinance 2001. Normal tax year, special tax year, transitional tax year. Normal tax year. Normal tax year is a period of 12 months ending on the 30th day of June and denoted by the calendar year in which the said data falls. A special tax year where the person income year is different from the normal tax year, or whereby an order of a person has been allowed by the commissioner to use 12 months period different from the normal year. Such income year or such period shall be a person's special tax year and shall be denoted by the calendar year relevant to the normal tax year in which the closing date of the special year falls. The board has authority to prescribe any special tax year in respect of any particular class of taxpayer. For example, in respect to certain classes of assessees, following special tax year are specialized by the board. Classes of person or special tax year. Companies manufacturing sugar. In which sense the commissioner allowed the companies which manufactured sugar is the special tax year of the companies of that companies 1st October to 30th September. All person exporting rice companies company that kind of companies which deals with the manufacturing of rice the commissioner allowed that companies 1st Jan to 31st December. All banks and insurance companies 1st January to 31st December. A person using tax year may be apply in writing to the commissioner to allow him to use normal tax year, and the commissioner may be an order allow him to use next normal tax year. The commissioner shall grant permission only if the person has shown a compelling need to use special tax year or normal tax year. As the case may be, the permission shall be subject to the conditions, if any, the commissioner may impose. A change of tax year from normal year to the special and vice versa granted by the commissioner is subject to withdrawal in this option. It is no longer feasible, but not unless the person has been provided an opportunity of being heard. An order of commissioner for the change of the tax year shall be take effect from such data, being the first day of the special tax year or the normal year, as the case may be, as specialized in the order. Transitional year, where the tax year of the person changes as a result of an order by the commissioner of income tax, either from the normal tax year to the special tax year or vice versa. The period between the end of the last year prior to change and the data on which the changed tax year commence shall be treated as a transition. The normal year of ABC Limited to the period from 1st July to 30th June on an application of ABC Limited. For example, determine the tax year in respect of each accounting period mentioned below. Okay, for first part A is first 9 2020 and 31st 8 2021. That is, for all three cases A, B and C mentioned above, relevant tax year will be 2022. Calendar year is normal to the normal tax year, which the closing date of special year falls. For case of D, first May 2021 to 30th March 2022. In that case, tax year will be 2022. calendar year relevant to the normal tax year, in which the closing date is 30th March of the special year fall. E is the 1st June to 30th May. Okay. Mention about the tax relevant to the calendar year, in which closing date is 30th June to the normal year fall. Income. The definition of term income uses the word includes, therefore it is inclusive definition and not exa- an inclusive definition is that which not extends to those things which are included in it, but it also covers all such things which our terms signifies according to its general natural meaning.